Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to make different types of graphs within the scilab. So here we can, apart from graph, we can also say that these are certain plots. So both are the same terms. So how we can do that? First of all, you have to declare an array. So how we can declare an array? We can write any variable like a. Here we have write a, and then you need to put the square brackets. And here we will introduce certain data, integer type of data like 10, 24, 15, 18, 21, 20, and then 17, then 14, then 18, and some more values we can write. Yes, we can write some more values like 9, and then we can go for 12. Now we have around like some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are about 11 values. So now we will press enter, and now all the values will be assigned to this variable a. Means that all the values are stored inside this variable a. So now if you want to make certain plot, what we need to do, we will write a plot command. Plot a. Now plot function will map or plot the variable a data on the graph. Okay. And if we will make a simple graph, we can say that this is our simple graph. So this is plot a graph. Okay. And this is our plot a graph. You can see. Now if you want to change its color, we can write comma r. Means that if you want a red color plot, then we can write r. We can press enter, and now we can see that it is a red color plot. Okay. Now if you want some more color like green, okay, then we can press enter, and we will get our green graph. Okay, so with the help of this we can change its color. Okay, so now after this has been done, okay, one more color, that we can even make a black color graph if you want, like this. You can see. Now if we want to change the graph type, like if we want that certain round things are there, that we want to plot our point with that of these small circles, then we will write ko. Means k is representing black and o is representing round figures type thing. So we can press enter, and now we can see that this is our graph. This is our small graph, but obviously these points are not connected. So we need to press this line function, okay, like this. Okay, this space, this is not, this is, we can say that dash function. Okay, so now you will see our graph is now connected with each other like this. Okay, and if we want a red color graph with that of like some more things like a diamond, D is for diamond. So if you want to introduce diamond, so it is a diamond. Okay, like here you can see it is the diamond graph. Okay, well, let me see, either we have overlapped the graph. Wait, let me see. So RD minus, so now you can see it is the diamond type graph. Okay, like this. And if we want with some like square, Okay, then we will see that is square type graph, and if you want with some what's called as diamond and squares, and if you want some steric type of graph, we can make it like this, steric type of graph. Okay, so like this. And if you want to make certain like v-shaped, sorry, small v, okay, so what sort of graph these are? Wait, let me see. Are we negative? So it is like this. So you can even make these type of things. So these are just the styles for graph. Okay, and one more, that is steric, RV. So we can even write here steric. Okay, let me see, steric, and like this. So this is steric graph. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can make certain types of plots and graphs with different styles within the scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.